Hello, welcome to Texture Myth. In this session, we will learn about few more functions of Microsoft Excel. So mainly we will cover three functions, that is sum, average and count. And for the same, here I have created one table that contains one column for storing the candidate name and another column is for storing the marks. Now we will see and we will see these functions and populate the data in respective columns. So first of all, we will check for the sum. So some function is used. Suppose we have multiple data. For now, we have only 5 records, but it might be possible that we have 5,000 record or more than 5,000 record. So in that case, it would be very difficult for us to calculate the total manually. So what we will do, we will make use of sum function. So let's see how we can make use of sum function. So to use the sum function, just press equal, then write sum, that is function name, then opening parenthesis, and here you have to pass the cell from which cell to which cell you want to calculate the sum. So in our case, we will start it from C5. So I will write C5, then colon is used for the series, and then go till the C9. So just write C9 and close the parenthesis and just hit enter. So as you can see that we got the sum of these records. Okay, especially for the marks, because we have passed C5, that is this C and this row fifth. Similarly still C ninth, so C column and 9 row. Okay, so we got the answer as 220. Now in the same way we can also find out the average of the marks. So for the same, just write equal, write the function name, that is average, opening parenthesis, select the cell. So my select, like you can also select the cell by directly clicking on that. So here I have clicked. Now put colon and select the another cell, that is C9, then close the cell, close the parenthesis and just hit enter. So we got the average marks. Now right now we are not right now we can directly count the candidate how many records are there, but if these records are more than 1,000 or more than 100, then we will not be able to find out it manually. So just to find the total count, what we will do, we will use the function count. So just write equal, then count, and then select the cell. So I'm selecting this cell until this cell. So just put column, semicolon, sorry, colon, and the end cell. Just close the parenthesis, just hit enter. See, so we got the answer as 5. So that's how we can make use of these functions, sum, average, and count. We can also use functions in that way, like just write equal sum, and here you can directly put that cell. Like if I want to find the sum of this cell, comma this cell, and just close the parenthesis, so you can pass it as with comma. Otherwise, if you are checking for the series, then you can put colon, otherwise you can put comma. Now just hit enter, so it will return the output, that is 100. Okay, now if you want to see the formula, like what all formula we have applied here, so just press Control tilde from your keyboard. It will it will show you the entire formula, like sum C5 to C9, average C5 to C9, count C5 to C9. Okay, and if you want to hide again your formula, just press Control tilde again. So that's how we can make use of these three functions. That's all for this session. In the upcoming session we will see few more functions. So thank you for watching Texture Myth.